Yeah.
Hi, Someshwar. So we can start. You can just brief me about yourself. Yes, yes, it's audible. Mhm. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh, mm, 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 mhm. Oh. Mhm. 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 Mm. Mm. Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Mm. 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 Mhm. Okay. So you were saying like it was a proper data warehouse and you had all different dimensions and facts, right? So what is basically dimensions and what is facts? Mm-hmm. 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 What is can you give few examples for both? Huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 And what about facts? Mm-hmm. 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 No, a fact table example I'm asking. Time dimension, it's a dimension table, right? Is it a fact? Mhm. General also you can say. You can give me example. That is also okay. Basically to understand what it is. If you don't remember the exact name, generally also you can say. Okay. And you said like SCD type 2, type 3 and all, right? So what is slowly changing dimensions? Mhm, 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 mhm. Okay, so um, coming to transformations and all, right? So like you would have used lookup and all, aggregator lookup. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 So tell me different types of lookup we have and how you will decide like whether you will use which one. Mm, mhm, mm, 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 mhm, mm, 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 mhm, mhm, mm, mhm, 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 mm, mm, mhm, mhm, mm, mhm, mm, 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 mm. Okay. Say suppose take a scenario like you have source as a file. Your source is a flat file and you want to load from that file to table. And possibility is there that duplicates can come in that file. So I want to load only the unique records to my target, and duplicate records I don't want to discard, I want to capture and load it to another target. So can you just tell me the flow, how you will do it in the mapping? Mm-hmm. 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 But this is no, I don't want in relational. In the flat file only, the mapping flow. If you do in the select in the sorter, if you use it, if you say distinct, then duplicate records will get discarded, right? I don't want to discard it. I want to load it to another target. Yes. Mm, 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 But in that case, like, say, suppose in your file the data is like this, like you have ID and name. So I have for ID 10A and for ID 20B, and for ID have C. My this is repeating. So in this case, what will go to my unique file, unique target? What will go to my duplicate target? Yeah.
Can you start? Our team will be approaching you and you will.
Fancy. Okay. Say okay. It's like ID and name. Say ID 10, name A, and ID 20, name B, ID 30, name C, ID 30, name C. It's coming twice. And 20, ID 20 and B, again it's coming. So what will go to my unique? you leave about one column or not? Like ID only is repeating, I told, right?
Sannyasi, you can stop recording.
Mm. Mm. So if ID 20 is coming twice, then how it will go to unique table, one entry will go? To my duplicate table, how many entries will go? One or two? Unique one, no? Duplicate table, how many entries it will have? Like 20, which has come 2 times in the file, right? How many entries will be there in duplicate table? One entry, yeah? But how you are not sure? Mhm. Mm. Mm. So based on that, how many records will go to duplicate table? Hmm. Okay. Okay. And you have used parameters and variables. What is the difference and between parameters and variables? And for what purpose you will use variables? Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Mm.
Yeah, so you correct, just hold on for a minute.
Mm. 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 Okay. Okay. And coming to SQL, right? How you will identify that there are records, there are duplicate records in a table? So you can take like employee table. Here you have employee ID and name. How you will identify? Select the query. You can tell me the query. Mm. Why you have to use distinct also here? Mm. 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 Say employee ID, employee name. My table has. Mm. 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 Mm, mm. What is the difference between where and have it plus? Mm, mm. Collection of data means? Mm, mm, mhm. So is it like I can just say like select star from employee having name like Lenka? Can I give like that? Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Mm, okay. And say suppose you have two different you have two tables, right? You are comparing, you are finding some difference. So how you will see what are the records which are extra? Say you have table 1, table 2. Okay. So how you will identify? Both the structure is same. You have to identify like what are the differences. Like say suppose my table 1 might have 10 records, my table 2 is having 20 records. So what is the query? How you will identify what is different in both of the tables? Mismatching records. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. No, I want to see what is the difference. Like what has changed? What are the changed records? Say, suppose you have taken backup before some change. After that, you made some changes. So you want to see what is changed. So how you will compare? You just cannot compare, sit and select and compare everything, right? Just by count, you will not know what has changed, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Have you worked on Unix? Mm. Unix. Mm-hmm. Mm. So how you will go and check? Suppose your source is a file and whether file exists or not. Okay. Okay. You have any questions? Mm. Mhm. This is for development role only. Like we have Informatica. We use Informatica and database is Teradata, and it is for development role only. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sharaf. With